Once again, advantages and disadvantages, you just want to be careful. Copyright's a big thing. Make sure you got the proper copyright on that and that you're allowed to use that. With learning and education, there are a few more lenient policies for us, but you just want to be careful. Make sure you do your homework, double check, and check again. Make sure you can use it or it's in an open source environment, for example, like a YouTube or something like that, or another environment where you can use someone's material. Advantages obviously can really be engaging for your learners, for your students, can help really just do a great job of communicating your point and illustrate in a creative way. Videos do great. Clips obviously do a great job of that, images as well. And then audio can do very well with that too. You can use a clip, an audio clip, or an MP3 of an actual person's voice that you may have to help integrate into your presentation. Have that actual person's voice communicating that content or statement that you want to get across to your learners. Obviously with the disadvantage, talk about the copyright, but then also just the learning curve, being able to integrate some of the audio-visual materials and make sure that we're doing it in the proper way, that we're not using it to take away from the content that we're trying to communicate, that it's not overwhelming for the students either, that it's something they can actually use. It's something that maybe you want to consider as well, that it's cross-platform, can be viewed rather than just on one computer or only on a Mac or only on a PC. You want to make sure, depending on the audience, how you are displaying your audio visual and what you want, where you want them to be able to view that. Lots of things to consider. And then as well, at cost, do you have to pay for it, or can you use it for free? Does it cost anything to the student to have access to the audio visual that you're using? Just things like that to consider.